Hi, welcome back to BKM Tech and Gadgets. My name's Kevin. I hope everybody's all good and healthy and everything's okay. So if you're new to my channel, BKM Tech and Gadgets, if you could like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, that would be much appreciated on my channel because I've got some really good videos coming up soon. So the next video that I'm going to show you is some really beautiful shots with my DJI Mavic Air out in the countryside. Also, I'm thanking my subscribers as well for subscribing to my channel. Also check out my BKM clothing store. The link is in the description below. So if you could check that out, that'd be much appreciated to support me on that store, and helps me support the channel as well, so I can grow and do some more tech reviews. So the next video that's coming up now then is some really good cinematic shots out in the countryside, some two halls. So I hope you enjoy the video. So that video is coming up now. Let's hit the intro.
you.